Assalamu alaikum, hope all are doing good. So today's our topic is going to be atom and atomic nucleus. So Rutherford discovered that the positive charge in an atom was concentrated in a small region called the nucleus. The nucleus contains protons and neutrons, which are collectively called nucleons. Atom also contains electrons which revolve around the nuclear orbits. About the positively charged nucleus, the simplest atom is that of hydrogen, nucleus of which is a single proton in them. We describe an element with respect to its nucleus and use of the following quantities. The atomic number Z is equal to the number of protons in the nucleus. Neutron number N is equal to the number of neutrons in the nucleus. Atomic number A is equal to the number of nucleons, protons plus neutrons in the nucleons. The mass of neutron is nearly equal to that of proton, but it is about 1836 times heavier than an electron. So the mass of an atom is nearly equal to the sum of masses of protons and neutrons as well as in them. Atomic mass A is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons is equal to 13, but numbers of proton is 6, so number of neutrons will be 7. So the element an isotope of carbon 6 and it is written as 136C. Isotopes are groups of atoms of an elements which have same number of protons but different number of neutrons in their nuclei. 3 isotopes of hydrogens are shown. Protium contains 1 proton in the nucleus and 1 electron that revolves around the nucleus. So deuterium contains 1 proton, 1 neutron and 1 electron. Titanium contains 1 protons, neutrons and 1 electrons as well as in them. So taking all of these things in acknowledgements, we can simply state it that these are the things by which we get acknowledgements. In 1986, Bericol accidentally discovered that uranium styles emits the invisible radiations that can darken a photographic plate as well as in them, by which we get the acknowledgements how they are darkening them, how they are getting the acknowledgements of them. So by other scientists showed that other substances also emitted the other things of them, darken a photographic plates. He also observed that the radiations must be emitting them Moreover, Bericol recently discovered that uranium cell crystals emits them, and when he also observed that the radiations had the ability to ionize gas. Subsequent experiments by other scientists showed that other substances also emitted radiations as well as. Moreover, they discovered two new elements which emitted radiations. They were named polonium and radium. This process of emission of radiations by some elements was called natural radioactivity. Bericol suggested that radioactivity was the result of the decay of the disintegrations of unstable nuclei as well as the spontaneous emission of radiation by unstable nuclei is called natural radioactivity, and the elements which emit such radiations are called radioactive elements as well as in them. So the substance there are alpha particles, beta particles and gamma rays, by which these are the three forms of radiation were studied by using the scheme as shown in them. The radioactive source is placed inside the magnetic field. The radiation emitted from the source splits into three components, alpha and beta radiations, by which we get the acknowledgements of them how they are getting things. Beta radiations, while radiation alpha radiations does not change its directions as well as. So hope you like this video. See you next.